Did you know that you can get a full body workout using nothing more than a simple chair? That's right. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even on vacation, a chair can be your best fitness tool. Chair workouts are not only convenient and accessible, but they can also be incredibly effective in building strength, improving flexibility, and boosting cardiovascular health. Why chair workouts work? You might wonder how a chair, something you sit on every day, can help you get fit. The key lies in leveraging your body weight and using the chair as a stable base or prop to enhance a variety of exercises. From strength training to cardio, a chair can support multiple workout routines that target different muscle groups. In fact, chair workouts are especially beneficial for people who are new to fitness, have limited mobility, or are looking for low-impact exercise options. They allow you to perform modified versions of traditional exercises, reducing the risk of injury while still providing a challenging workout. For more advanced fitness enthusiasts, chair exercises can be intensified by incorporating weights or increasing the speed and number of repetitions. Getting started. Chair workout essentials. Before diving into your chair workout, it's important to choose the right chair. Ideally, you should use a sturdy, armless chair with a flat seat and a non-slip base. Avoid chairs with wheels or those that are too lightweight, as they may tip over during certain exercises. Wearing comfortable workout clothing and supportive footwear is also key. Make sure you have enough space around the chair to move freely without bumping into anything. If you're ready, let's dive into some effective chair-based exercises that can help you achieve your fitness goals. Chair squats. Chair squats are a fantastic way to strengthen your lower body, particularly your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a chair squat. 1. Stand in front of the chair with your feet shoulder width apart. 2. Lower your body as if you're about to sit down, keeping your weight in your heels. 3. Lightly touch the chair with your glutes without fully sitting down, then stand back up. 4. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. For an added challenge, try pausing for a few seconds just before your glutes touch the chair. Tricep dips. Tricep dips are a classic exercise that targets the triceps, shoulders, and chest. Using a chair makes this move accessible and effective. 1. Sit on the edge of the chair with your hands gripping the front of the seat, fingers pointing forward. 2. Slide your hips off the chair, keeping your legs extended and your feet flat on the floor. 3. Bend your elbows to lower your body towards the floor, then push back up to the starting position. 4. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions. To increase intensity, move your feet further away from the chair or try the exercise with one leg lifted. Seated leg raises. Seated leg raises are great for engaging the lower abdominal muscles and strengthening the hip flexors. 1. Sit upright in the chair with your feet flat on the floor and your hands gripping the sides of the seat for support. 2. Keeping your legs straight, lift them together off the floor until they're parallel to the ground. 3. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower your legs back down. 4. Repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions. This exercise can be modified by raising one leg at a time for an easier variation. Chair push-ups. Chair push-ups are a modified version of traditional push-ups that target the chest, shoulders, and triceps. 1. Place your hands on the edge of the chair, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Walk your feet back until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. 3. Lower your chest towards the chair by bending your elbows, then push back up to the starting position. 4. Complete 8 to 12 repetitions. To make this move more challenging, try performing push-ups with your feet elevated on the chair and your hands on the floor. Who knew a simple chair could be so versatile in your fitness journey? Whether you're looking to build strength, improve flexibility, or get a quick cardio burst, chair workouts can be adapted to suit your needs and fitness level. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership, just a sturdy chair and a commitment to your health. So next time you think you can't work out because you don't have the right gear, remember that with just a chair, you've got all you need to stay fit and strong. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.